Separation of aldehydes from nitriles by diisobutyl aluminum hydride method, Diebel method or Diebel H method. In short, we can say diisobutyl aluminum hydride. The short form of diisobutyl aluminum hydride is DIBALH. So Diebel H method. So how can we convert the corresponding alkyl cyanides or nitriles to aldehydes? Let's see. So cyanides or nitriles means any alkyl cyanide or alkane nitrile. This is generally its IUPAC name is RCN, means alkane nitrile. When it undergoes reduction with diisobutyl aluminum hydride and further it undergoes acid hydrolysis, the CN group is converted into CHO group. So this is the conversion. CN group is converted into aldehyde group and we get its corresponding aldehyde on reduction with diisobutyl aluminum hydride. So the advantage of this method is, if we take a unsaturated nitrile, the name of unsaturated nitrile is paint 3 in nitrile. Suppose we take an example of paint 3 in nitrile. Then how to, if we know the name of the compound, then how to write its formula? So paint means 5 carbon containing straight chain. So take 5 carbon containing straight chain. In this straight chain, 2 functional groups are present. At position 3, En means double bond present, and at carbon number 1, Cn group is present. So if we number this chain from this side, right to left, then this Cn group is present at carbon number 1. So carbon number 1 gets, or at carbon number 1 the cyanide or nitrile group is present, and at carbon number 3 double bond is present. Now remaining valency complete by hydrogen, we'll get its correct formula. So CH3CH double bond CH CH2 CN. This is the formula of paint 3 in nitrile. So when this paint 3 in nitrile undergo reduction with diisobutyl aluminum hydride and further it undergoes acid hydrolysis, it gives, when it undergoes reduction with Diebel H and acid hydrolysis, then simply you can convert CN group into CHO group. Remaining this unsaturated group remains as it is. So this is the advantage of this method. Unsaturation of this remaining group remains as it is. They does not undergo reduction. Okay. So CH double bond CH remains as it is, and only the CN group is converted into CHO group. So we get its corresponding aldehyde, and then formula of this aldehyde is CH3CH double bond CH CH2, and here CN group is converted into CHO group. The name of this aldehyde is 5 carbon containing straight chain. So if we number this chain from right to left, at carbon number 3 alkene group present, so En, and at carbon number 1 aldehyde group is present. So in Al, paint 3 in Al, aldehyde, unsaturated aldehyde is prepared by using this method. So this is the advantage of diisobutyl aluminum hydride used as a reducing agent. So when this diisobutyl Again, when it is treated with different compounds like carboxylic acid, when this carboxylic acid undergoes reduction with diisobutyl aluminum hydride and further acid hydrolysis, then this CHO group is converted, COOH group is converted into corresponding CHO group, and further reduction not takes place. The reaction is stopped at this step. So carboxylic acids are converted into its corresponding aldehydes. Again, if we take acyl chloride, when acyl chlorides undergoes a reduction with diisobutyl aluminum hydride and further undergoes acid hydrolysis, then these acyl chlorides are finally converted into corresponding aldehydes. And one more method is there, when esters. So what is the general formula of ester? RCOOR, when undergoes reduction with diisobutyl aluminum hydride and further it undergoes acid hydrolysis, then again it is converted into its corresponding aldehydes. So this is the most important method for the production of aldehydes from cyanide, that is RCN, finally converted into RCHO. Or again you must know about it, these carboxylic acids or acyl chlorides or esters, when they undergoes reduction in presence of diisobutyl aluminum hydride, they are converted into its corresponding aldehydes, and at this step we get the stable aldehyde product. They does not undergo further reduction. So this is the most important method. By using diisobutyl aluminum hydride, we can convert nitriles, cyanide or nitriles. RCN means cyanide or nitrile when it undergoes reduction with diisobutyl aluminum hydride, it gives its corresponding aldehydes. So these are the four important organic compounds when they undergoes reduction by using same catalyst, that is diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and further acid hydrolysis, it gives its corresponding aldehydes, and this is the most important method for the production of aldehydes from different organic compounds. So what is the formula of diisobutyl aluminum hydride? Isobutyl, you know isobutyl group. So to the second carbon which is gets attached with methyl group branch and total 4 carbon containing compound, this is the isobutyl group. So two isobutyl groups are attached with aluminium, and the valency of aluminium is 3, and third hydrogen is complete its valency. So this is the formula of diisobutyl aluminum. This is diisobutyl aluminum hydride, and which is the best reducing agent for the preparation of unsaturated nitriles to unsaturated aldehydes.